Hello and welcome back to Holiday Motors. My name's Chad Henry and today I'm going to show you this beautiful one owner 2015 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Of course these vehicles are all all-wheel drive. This is a spotless CARFAX history one owner vehicle. Has a great set of Firestone Firehawk tires on it. They're pretty fresh. This is very well equipped with leather interior, heated seats, navigation, power sunroof. Has all the right equipment, beautiful colors. This is a pearl white, kind of hard to see in this video maybe if we get it where the sun's hitting it well. You can see that pearl. As you can see, door panels are in really good shape. The leather seats are not worn and roughed up on the edges where you see a lot of them. Headliner's very clean. There's your sunroof. This car does have 102,000 miles on the odometer. Runs and drives absolutely perfect. Very well serviced. Very well taken care of. You can see with the navigation. You have your climate control here. And beneath in your console you have your heated seats, and then you have your auxiliary and USB inputs in the console there. And here's your passenger side as well, in really good condition. Oops. In the glove box it does have the full set of owner's manuals. It does also have the lane departure warning. Plenty of spacious room in the rear seating area. Very clean as well. It does have both sets of mats underneath. It has the rubber mats as well as your carpet mats there. Of course, in the rear hatch, tons of cargo room. The cover is still here, which a lot of times people will pull those out and never put them back in, but that is there. And of course that is removable, as well as these seats being foldable so that you can have tons of cargo space if needed. It's a really clean car, fun to drive, plenty of power, good on fuel, and ready to go. We've got tons of great finance options for you if needed. We can also help with shipping, if you're calling from out of state. And we do have an application page on our website at www.holidaymotors.com. You can find us in person at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Holiday Motors since 1974. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching as always.